everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. If you've ever been to an Indian restaurant and wondered why that potato curry that comes with dosas and pooris tastes so good, I'm proud to say that I've nailed that dish, and I cannot wait to share the recipe for this restaurant-style South Indian potato masala. So let's get cooking. To make our potato masala, here I have a pan on medium-high heat to which I've added around a tablespoon of sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add around a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now that the seeds are spluttering, I'm adding a teaspoon of urad dal or white lentils and a teaspoon of chana dal, and I'm going to cook this till golden brown. Now that my lentils are golden brown, I'm going to add around 8 to 10 curry leaves, an inch of ginger that's finely chopped, and a finely chopped high green chili. And I'm going to cook all of this till all the ingredients are nice and toasty, which should take less than a minute. Now I'm going to add around half of a large onion that I've sliced. Give this a good mix. Salt my onions to speed up the cooking process and cook till translucent. My onions look perfect. So to this, I'm going to add around a heaped teaspoon of turmeric powder and give all of this a really nice mix. To this, I'm going to add around 3 medium-sized crushed potatoes. They don't have to be completely mashed because we're looking for a little bit of texture. Mix all of this and cook for around 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add around a cup or a cup and a half of hot water and give all of this a really nice mix. I'm also going to add a roughly chopped tomato for a little bit of sourness and color. Salt to taste. Mix all of this really well. On the side, I'm going to make a slurry of besan or gram flour. You can also use chickpea flour if you have access to that, with a little bit of hot water. Try to remove the lumps as much as possible, but if it's not, that's fine because it'll all break down once we pour it into our potato mixture. Give everything a really nice mix. Bring the heat to medium-low, cover with a lid and cook for around 3 to 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. My potatoes look perfect. And I'm going to top with some cilantro for some freshness. And that's the finished recipe. So this is one of my favorite recipes, and it's also extremely versatile. It goes great with any carb: rice, quinoa, rotis, pooris, dosas. The world is your oyster, or the world is your portobello mushroom. For more vegan Indian dishes, please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!